Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I hope you all are doing great. Yes, I have not been posting videos for 1 month and a half because I was under the weather. Still I am, but it's okay. I'm getting quite relief and that's why I thought I should make videos. Actually, I always say to you, don't break your consistency. Whatever you are learning, try to maintain consistency. But during my illness, what I realized, sometimes it is really hard to maintain consistency when you are in a difficult situation. But yes, I would say deliberately don't break your consistency, because consistency is the key to success. Though you are putting little effort, but make sure it should be consistent, because every small step leads to a big result, and that is why consistency is the key. I want to talk about the strategy I made in my beginning day of learning journey. See, when I started learning English language, I had no idea from where I should start learning this language, from where I should start speaking. But yes, I had listened somewhere, if you want to learn any language, first you need to listen that language. And that is why I started listening English content, and I listen English content approximately 1 or 2 months. But meanwhile, what I realized, only listening is not sufficient. If I want to speak English, I will have to speak this language, then only I can speak this language. How will you speak English language unless you open your mouth? जब तक आप अपना मुंह नहीं खोलेंगे, तब तक आप इंग्लिश कैसे बोल सकते हैं? चाहे आप ब्रोकन इंग्लिश ही बोलें, लेकिन बोलें. तो बोलने पे ज़्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए. So I started searching with whom should I practice English, how to practice English language, and I found English application. So yes, I took subscription and started talking with people, and also I got to know about shadowing technique, mirror technique, talk to yourself. I knew about mirror technique, but I took it lightly. I thought it is boring, it will not help in my English practice. But I was wrong. It is very beneficial. When you practice in front of mirror, you can see the way you are speaking, you can see your facial expression, hands movement, everything you can observe. The way you are talking, it is correct or not, everything you can notice and correct yourself. So it is very important. Then I started talking in front of mirror, and I started taking interest. But most of the time I practice with myself. I turn on the camera and speak in front of the camera. So this is my favorite activity which I do for my English improvement. And shadowing technique. Yes, it is very important. I used to do shadowing technique, but not now. But it is very important. Initially I used to shadowing practice, and it helps me a lot. So if you are a beginner, you should practice shadowing technique. Whatever the video you watch, turn on the subtitles and read the subtitles. It will help you a lot. Your mouth muscles will become very flexible, your voice would be clear, pronunciation will improve, you will get to know sentence structure. So you will learn so many things. So this is the benefits of shadowing technique. Earlier I used to do, but not now. So these are the 3 techniques I applied for my English speaking improvement. Alongside, I read book, and it does not helps me for learning, but also it helps me in my personal growth. If I talk about writing, Yes, I write my thoughts, I write new vocabularies, new phrases, and by using those phrases and vocabularies, I make sentences. And while writing, we have enough time to think and write, so it is also important.